Hello brothers and sisters, I hope you people will be seeing this video. I'm just doing a short video. I'm inside bus, so I want you people to be seeing this video. This is seaport. All these places we are passing by is seaport. Ask this your governors, ask this your senators, ask whoever, whatever they call their name, why you don't have this seaport in Igbo land? Why you don't have seaport? Look at all these things we are passing here is seaport. Since we have been working on it, I said let me make a short video for you people to see. You know, all these things we are inside bus driving, all this we are crossing since for a long time is seaport. All these things you are seeing is big ship there. You see those structures there? These are buildings where they drop cars, logistics that they are going different countries. You know, all these things you are seeing here is seaport. Ask me, as an Igbo man, ask Igbo people, ask this your elite, this your governors, these people who parade themselves as your governors and whatever name they call them, ask them why you don't have all these seaport, things that will generate money to your region, to your state, to anywhere, both people in the riverine area. You know, why your seaport are not working, why they are not functioning like this one. You understand? So you have movement. Look at where we have been running here more than 10 minutes, only seaport. Tell me, do you know how many people is working in this seaport? Can you tell me how many people? Do you know how many jobs it provides? You go now, you want to, you as an importer, as an Igbo man who is doing, we are doing import and export. Okay, you are floating your goods in Lagos. Understand? Lagos state government are the one generating all the taxes, all the money you are paying to carry your container, the money you are paying to discharge your container. On top of that, you'll be paying each junction. You have to pay police everywhere you go to, from one pole to another. You pay police, you pay custom, you pay military, you pay all of them. But that state now is the one making. Look at all these things I'm showing you people here. Here now is iron. Like this is where them all the irons, when they grind them here, they now use it to provide something else, still in the seaport there. You know, do you know millions of people working here now in only this seaport? If you have seaport in One, have in Igbocha, have in Akwa Ibom, we have all these seaport, have in Anambra City, we have sea everywhere. Do you know people will be tired of working? People will be tired of working. I just want to show you people a little bit of this. You know, I can't take it from these people call themselves governors and elite and all of them, all this bunch of criminals. We can't take it anymore from them. Because of all these things alone, we stop what you call insecurity. Do you know how many millions of people that will be working here in different departments, in different stations? There's people, their job is only to be driving, to be bringing car down. Different things are going on here. Different things, my brothers and sisters. This is why when these people are telling you all this garbage, they are saying, oh, FreeMaziNnamdiKanu, oh, FreeMaziNnamdiKanu. No, the major of your problem, I'm telling these people who is calling FreeMaziNnamdiKanu, who is saying that FreeMaziNnamdiKanu is their problem, FreeMaziNnamdiKanu is their problem. Who is your problem? Is your governors, is your those people you call elite. They are your problems. The day you realize it is more better for you and more good for you. All these things I'm showing you people we are going since is seaport. Is seaport. People are here working. If you have this, these are brothers and sisters, they are burning their market in Lagos, in Oshodi, in Idumota, in all of them. Mention them. Or they are burning your market. If you have, this is the reason why they are burning your market, because you don't have this seaport. Because if you have this seaport, you are doing your business well in Onitsha or in Nnewi, in anywhere, in a head bridge or Onitsha, in anywhere you like doing your business. You know, you have seaport very close to you. You just go and withdraw. You just carry your goods. You come to your shop. You sell your goods without no disturbance, without nobody disturbing you. That's why I'm showing you people all this. But now you are in the Lagos, Oluoma and Co. Then we tell you ego molile, ego this and that, disturbing you in your business, which is what you don't need. Look at environment, my brothers and sisters. Look at, you know, things that they don't want to provide for you, and for you to know that these guys, if they are really representing you, why they don't provide these things? Why these things are difficult for them to provide? Why don't them shout and fight? If they say that they want freedom, that they want to help you as an Igbo man, they want to help you, you know, why wouldn't they say, no matter what, that what our people need, they need all these things, they need support, they need good information. You provide support, you provide airport, because of these major things bring money to the society. It boosts economy. You have international airport, you have seaport like what you are seeing. Since how many minutes now we have been running here? Before I say, let me show you people a little bit of this. We have been running this, this is the seaport. You look at this side now, let's go to the other side. All this side now, you'll be seeing it is the people that have their companies here. When their goods arrive, they will just take it from here and go to their shop. Nothing like Omoinile, nothing like Owoda. Nothing like this or that, this or the other one. You understand? Somebody, or you see military disturbing you. In the other checking point, you see army. The second one, you see custom, you see navy. Everybody on the road. Look at it. Look at. I'm inside bus. Will show you people this video. Look at it. Look at how movement is going. You see truck going in, going out. People are busy walking. You see everybody are walking. You know, in that your country now, to tell you how wicked how wicked set of people you call your leaders. In that your country, you can't do more than one thing in a day. Look at all that. You can't do more than one thing in a day. You want to go from Oshodina to Island. Hold up, we kill you there. You know, there you'll be Felako is suffering and smiling. That is what you people like. Look at it. You people look at it. Do you know how many people that is working here? These things is providing job. You see, Porto, we are still running on. If I continue this video will last more than 2 hours. Upon that, I didn't start from the beginning. No. Look at it. All these things you are seeing is seaport. So if you have seaport very close to you there in Igbocha, in Akwa Ibom, you have seaport. Your business, tell me why you can't make it in life, brothers. Ndị Igbo ndị na-azụ ahịa ụnọ na Lagos a na-agba ngwa ahịa ụnọ ọkụ na-azụ ụlọ rụọ ụlọ na Lagos mee ife niile na Lagos a na-agba ya ọkụ ividu ụnọ na-eti mkpu na-ekwe ya na ebe a gọvanọs ndị ahụ ole eme Peter Obi ọkụ egbuchere ndị mmadụ maka na a na-atụrụ ya vote o nwere ife o mere no ọ nọ na parade na-achọ 2027. Look at it. Ebe a m nọkwa bime bọs na afịa bọs ọ bọs dị ife a n'ime bọs ka m na ọkụ na afịa ọfụma ọ n'ime bọs ọ bụghịkwa ife a look at ndị mmadụ ife a bọs na-ebunete ndị ọrụ dutoro onye ọbụla nọ n'ọrụ this time na onye ọbụla nọ n'ọrụ ịbịa here during the time ọrụ agwụgo. Look at informant. Look at ịbịa here during the time emechiri ọrụ from 2 from 3 from 4 to 5. Look at all these things. Look at ọkụ na-afịa ife nọ ebe a bụ ife na-afụ ya bụ seaport. Bọs seaport dị ebe ma tren nke lenu tren nke a na-abịa na ọ bụ ngwa ahịa ka o bu na-apụ na afụ otu obodo nsi arụ ọrụ obodo na-aga abịa sị gị na ife na o nwere otu ife nsi atọ ejighị ife ọ na-atọ ka ya na-ada. So ọbịa mere m ji na-eme vidio maka na-eme anyị na-eti mkpu Biafra ka unu mara ife anyị ji na-eti mkpu Biafra. Anyị chọrọ ụdị ife ndị obodo na-arụ ọrụ mma anyị our old mothers akwụsị na-ebe akwa na village, kwụsị na-ata afụfụ. Ndị egbuo n'anyị for many years, for more than how many years they have been killing us. So anyị ụkwụ na akpịrị your governors ndị ori na ndị ama ka ha mbụ onweghị ife ọma ha na-emere mmadụ sọsọ ibu egbe buriga our young brothers and sisters. Look at ife ndị ha kwesịrị provide seaport. Onye nọ n'Ọnịcha ngwa ahịa gị adịrịgo nso ọ bụghị ịbịa ego ọ bụ ị ga-emete na biznes, ego ọ bụ ị ga-enweta na your biznes itufuche ya nke ị nọ na-akwụ ma ndị polisi ma ndị amị ma ndị kọstọm ma ndị nevi. Ị ga na-akwụ ego na ọkụkọ ụgwọ owoda. Ọ bụ ụdị ndụ unu chọrọ unu ma ndị Igbo? Ọ bụ ife m na-ajụ unu, ọ bụ ụdị ndụ unu chọrọ ị na-ebi echi na unu na-agbagharị a na-achọ BVC onye kunu na-evotu onye na-aka ya yiri fọgoma na-ahata all these ones unu na-akpọ celebrity Cubana and Co and ndị otu ya ahụ. Ọ bụ ndị detain na-efevọ ọndụ ọ na-efevọ ndị a bụ ndị ọba abịa gbara ego gbacha ego ha nwee ekete nke ha. Lekwa anya here, I will still be showing you people. Achọbụ m ịkọ to the video because of but ka m na-eji unu ọ ime bọọsụ ka anyị ka nọ sinsa ife ndị nna afọ kọntena na-abachi ime seaport. Ndị a na-aba ime seaport, they are waiting for their own, they are checking. Leche anya here unu na-afịa ndị Igbo ifeọma na-adọ mma ndị na-azụ ahịa you know. I like ịzụ ahịa lenye nnu ya bụ na gọọmenti ya provide ofe ego unu na-etufu sinu ndị agboro na asịkwa na asị ha onye nọ n'Ọnịcha dị a ịga n'Igwe Ọcha dị a onye nọ n'Aba dị a ịga n'Igwe Ọcha akwụ iburu ife gị gbapụrụ onwe gị na-arị adịdị ị ga na ịnọdụ n'Ọnịcha dị a iburu ngwa ahịa gị ebe ahụ o ruo gị aka lee ya ọpụtụ a na-eme ife a dịrị ndị mmadụ izi isikwa na ị na-achị mmadụ mekwe n'ife ya dịtụ nye nke mba izi ọ bụ nke ụnụ bụ ndị ohi na ndị ama enwuche na South East ọchụrụ onwe ha gọvanọs ọchụ onwe ha senators ọchụ onwe ha brand ọchụ onwe ha nickname names of ndị ohi brand of ndị ohi anaghị afụcha all this is look at otu society kwesịrị na-adụ ụmụnne na ụmụnna legodu na anya ife anyị na-aga n'ọbụ ọ bụkwa since kwa ọkwa seaport ka anyị na-agba since maka a na-anọ Barcelona bụ mmiri gbara anya okirikiri ihe seaport ka anyị na-agakwa since ọ bụ na-afịa wute anya unu na-abụ kwa hapụ isi na asị unu ife ka anyị ji na-eti mkpu ma FreeMaziNnamdiKanu ji na-eti mkpu SimonEkpa na-eti mkpu ji Biafra no nwanne enwe ụdị ife ndị ohi a na-ebe akwa insekuriti ga-ana automatically ị na-ahata onye nwetaziri na-eme ife ọjọọ marazi na onye nke ahụ achọghị ịrụ ọrụ ife ndị ifụkwara meshin ndị a niile n'ebe ọ bụ ndị mmadụ na-anyacha unu na-afịa ama m unu na-afịa ndị Igbo na-azụ ahịa ọ maka unu aka m ji na-asụ Igbo aka unu na-afịa ọzọ ndị na-azụ ahịa ife a bụ seaport unu na-afịa mekwu na desi amụ so inwechi ife ndị a na-aba anyị shọpụ ga-adịrịgo nso iburu ngwa ahịa gị orugo ga-erugo 10 minutes na ọ n'ime shọpụ buse ngwa ahịa gị na-ere ngwa ahịa onweghị na-enye gị nsogbu gọọmenti ọnwa mgbụ ga-akwụ gọọmenti tasa nwe ewere nkiri tinye n'akpa the worst part bụ onweghị the gọọmenti na-eme ka ndị ara ife na ha nọ ka ha chụọ ụzọ nasịa gị nke ị nwere enwe gbukwuo gị n'elu ya na-ene n'anya ife akpa ogologo ụzọ lee n'anya ọ na-eme ụgbọ ka anyị nọ ife nwere onye ifuru na-enye ibe nsogbu hie na-ene n'anya ọ seaport ka anyị ka na-aga kemgbe ahụ seaport ka anyị ka na-agba sinsi ahụ just unu na-afịa wute anya unu na asịkwa ka m gosi unu nwebere nka asị m nke onye nwaanyị gosi unu from here ọkwa good morning we are still in the morning hour I just want to show you people a little bit of why the reason why we are fighting for Biafra. We need Biafra by all means. We need to develop our society like where a normal human being live. We need to develop our communities where a normal people live, so that our people can think normal. They can reason for once. That is why we are doing all this. That is why we must hold those people accountable. Call themselves governors, call themselves whatever name they like, then call themselves. We have to chase them out. We have to. That is a must. We have to do that. From here is good morning. Because now try now subscribe on our channel USB Gospel. Now subscribe on us. Please subscribe to our channel so to help us to improve the channel. So I will be showing you people more things that you people will be seeing. Okay, from here, Asim is good morning. Thank you.